It is recommended to regularly check that all ejectors are firing. To test ejectors on the Sortex A machine, the machine must be powered up with compressed air on. Check that the regulated air pressure does not exceed the recommended level as indicated on the air regulator assembly. The access level required to test the ejectors is supervisor level or higher. Sign in at the appropriate level on the graphical user interface. Go to Facilities, select Test, and select Ejector Test. The Ejector Test screen gives the range of the ejector test from ejector 1, which is furthest left on the machine, to the last ejector, which will depend on the size of the machine. In this case, the last ejector is 192, because this is a 3-module machine. If the start slider is set to the bottom and the finish slider is set to the top, then the machine will test all the ejectors in the machine. If you press start, the machine will fire each ejector in turn, starting with ejector 1, and the screen will display which ejector is being fired. You can use a small brush or similar to check if each ejector is firing. Open the reject sampling door to access the ejector nozzles. It is recommended that safety glasses are worn during the ejector test when looking into the receptacle. Place the brush in front of each ejector as it is firing and feel or look to see if each ejector fires. Take note of any ejectors which do not fire. You can stop the ejector test at any time by pressing Stop Ejector Test, or allow the machine to finish its ejector range. You can adjust the sliders to test a small range of ejectors, for example to find an ejector which did not fire. If any ejectors require replacement, take a note of the ejector number and replace. Please refer to the Supervisor and Maintenance Technical Manual for the machine, or the Replacing Ejectors training video if necessary. Thank you for listening.